In tonight's Health Edge, this has already been proclaimed one of the worst winters we've seen in decades. Between the freezing cold and the snowfall, we're in jeopardy of heart problems while shoveling snow, but something else just as dangerous, falling on the ice. At Sam's Shoe Service in Southfield, Mike Azuz is working overtime.
Give me extra large. Give me 6.
Despite the bad economy, this record-breaking winter season is causing an overdrive in customers trying to get some traction while traveling around in Old Man Winter's slippery mess.
Everybody's coming in trying to look for a power sole. It's like an oversole. It's a real thin sole, about 1/8 of an inch in thickness, made of pure rubber. So it is non-slip, or slip-resistant, I should say, and it prevents you from sliding. It actually makes your shoe more comfortable.
Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Rachel Rohde of Beaumont Hospital analyzes x-rays daily from patients coming in after slipping and falling. It's something we all know can happen, but few take the right precautions.
There are patches of ice everywhere and when the winter comes and the temperature drops to this level, and a little patch of ice can send you for a long road in recovery.
In fact, slips and falls are responsible for thousands of ER visits every year. It can leave you with broken hands, broken hips, even a closed head injury.
High heel boots, they look great, but not necessarily great on ice.
So ladies, here's what you can do. Bring your stylish shoes and your beautiful boots to work with you and put on a more practical pair of boots with traction on the bottom. And despite your winter blues, make sure you exercise.
In general, stay well conditioned because a good strong muscle system can actually help you protect yourself if you're falling.
Dr. Rohde also warns, make sure you use solid objects around you like your car for balance or handrails when you're walking, because if you happen to lose your footing, you might be able to catch your balance. So, whether you're a man or a woman and have to hoof it a short or long distance, you won't have to spend a fortune. Go old school with these galoshes, and Mike at Sam says they're much better than what your dad wore back in the day.
The traction is actually heavier than ever before. The rubber is much thicker, and it also is, it's a little more stylish.
Now, you can buy a pair of old school galoshes for about $20, and Sam's Shoe Service in Southfield can oversole your shoes for the same amount, but keep in mind, not every shoe shop will have the galoshes, so you may want to call ahead and check to see if they have them before you travel that way.
You don't want to slip and slide. I mean, that's...
You definitely don't want to do that.
Yeah, and ladies, that was good advice. Take your heels with you. Don't wear them in the snow.
No, wear ugly boots and travel safely in the snow. Isn't that good advice, Jerry?
Indeed it is. As a matter of fact, we've got a lot of winter to go yet. We're only a little over halfway through, so chances are we're going to see more snow before it's all said and done.